top of the morning, ladies and gentlemen, and to the rest of the world. This segment, we're going to give a shout out and we're going to hope for the best to our family and many friends on the island of Jamaica. Rohan Marley from Mac. I hope you're doing well along them blue mountains back home. You and I had fun together in Los Angeles first cannabis convention at the convention center when you rolled out the red carpet and you asked me to grow the lamb's bread for the late Bob Marley, your father, rest in peace. And I offered you some of my banana kush that you fell in love with, and you gave me some of your Marley's coffee with the hidden cannabis insignia on the package of the coffee. If you look hard in between the mini coffee bean that's on the packaging of that Marley's coffee. Some of the best coffee, or if not the best coffee I ever drunk in my life. Rohan Marley, thank you for the coffee. And I wish you, family, and friends in Jamaica a speedy recovery. Again, from Mac, my friend.